अरे ये क्या, सुबह सुबह लैपटॉप लेके बैठ गए ज्ञानचंद जी?
वो तो मैं अच्छा पेंट सेलेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कब से, बट प्रोफेसर साहब पेंट एग्जैक्टली कैसे सेलेक्ट करूं समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
ये बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल पूछा है आपने ज्ञानचंद जी। कई लोग इस सवाल के साथ स्ट्रगल करते हैं।
अच्छा, अब आप आ ही गए हो तो बता दीजिए जनहित पे, हाउ टू सेलेक्ट करेक्ट पेंट फॉर एक्सटीरियर सर्फेसेस।
First things first, while choosing an exterior paint, there are 4 important factors that need to be taken into consideration. Regional weather conditions. Choose exterior paint based on severity of weather conditions in your area. Conditions like extreme dust, humidity, heat and wind. How often do you want to paint your home? Choose longevity of the paint based on your preference of how frequently you want to refresh your paint. Premiumness of the paint finish and your budget. When it comes to exterior emulsions, you can choose yours keeping the following factors in mind. First, let's look at Ultima Protect Duralife and Ultima Protect. These paints offer up to 15 years of warranty and feature a unique technology like Steel Tech and are made with the toughest material, graphene. This range offers ultra-durable properties of waterproofing and laminating your homes from the extreme effects of rain, dust and sun. Next, coming to Ultima and Ultima Stretch. This range features a warranty of up to 8 years and is powered with unique PU tech, offering ultimate durability and ultimate finish. In this range, Ultima Stretch is a specifically designed product to offer ultimate stretchability and give a crack-free performance. The Apex range is a great choice if you want a fine balance of price and weatherproof performance. Powered with excellent anti-algal and dust-proof properties, this range offers up to 6 years of warranty. Lastly, the Ace range is the best bet if you intend to renew your home's look and paint frequently every 2 to 4 years. It's truly a value for money option. Here's how you can easily select the paints based on your needs on the Asian Paints website. Step 1. Visit asianpaints.com and under the Paints and Color section, go to Exterior Paints. Step 2. Under the Wall Paints section, select the desired paint from the Apex or Ultima range. You can make a choice based on the performance and warranty requirement. Step 3. In addition to wall paints, textures and floor paints can also be selected from the website. Step 4. The product features mentioned for each product on the website can help you choose the desired product. Step 5. Once you've selected a paint of your choice, go to the budget calculator. Step 6. Select the type of project, fresh painting or repainting. Step 7. Select the space, interior or exterior. Step 8. Enter the approximate carpet area and select Calculate Now. The calculator will give you an approximate total cost of getting the painting done. So once you've zeroed in on the right kind of paint emulsion for your home exteriors, the next step is choosing your favorite shade of paint. You may visit your nearest Asian Paints authorized dealer to choose your pick, or you can also download the shade card of the respective products from the website. Alternatively, you can download the Color with Asian Paints app and visualize how the colors will look on your walls and get started with the painting process at the earliest.
क्या बात है? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि एशियन पेंट्स की वेबसाइट पे ये सब इतना आसान है।
Exactly.
मेरा ना वाईफाई थोड़ा ठीक नहीं चल रहा है। आपके घर चल के एशियन पेंट्स की वेबसाइट पे पेंट सेलेक्ट करें?
बस इतना ही बाकी था। इनकी क्लास खत्म ही नहीं हो रही, बट आप होमवर्क जारी रखिए। Click on the links to learn more about paint warranty.